Performance reviews have never been more important or more challenging. Many leaders face the same roadblocks: unconscious bias, overwhelming volumes of feedback, and the struggle to turn raw data into meaningful conversations that empower staff. It's easy for critical insights to get lost, or for feedback to feel inconsistent or subjective. But what if there was a way to bring clarity and fairness to the process? AI is reshaping the landscape of employee evaluations. Today, intelligent systems can aggregate feedback from multiple sources, analyze patterns, and highlight strengths or potential gaps you may have missed. The result? Reviews that are more objective, data-driven, and tailored to the individual's growth journey. Imagine spending less time sorting through forms and more time having genuine conversations that drive performance. Consider this: AI-powered platforms don't just process information, they learn from it. They spot trends across teams, flag potential biases in assessments, and even suggest customized development opportunities for each employee. Rather than relying on instinct alone, leaders gain a deeper, clearer perspective, enabling fairer outcomes and more focused growth strategies. Of course, effective AI integration requires a thoughtful approach. Start by ensuring transparency. Communicate how AI is used and how employees benefit. Keep data privacy and ethical considerations front of mind. Most importantly, remember that AI is a tool to support, not replace, the human element. The best outcomes happen when technology and empathy work hand in hand. Embracing AI in performance reviews isn't just about efficiency, it's about leading with insight and intent. As leadership evolves, those who harness these innovations will build fairer, stronger, and more engaged teams. Now is the time to step confidently toward the future of performance management.